So with this one light, the setup changed from this kind of light to something like this. Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi guys!
Hi guys, this is Prem Mahakali. Welcome back to my channel. This is another episode in my vlog section. Enjoy the vlog with me. Bye bye.
So I borrowed this Godox SL60W light from a friend of mine because this one light changed the whole setup. Like you've seen the before and after, right? It brings out a lot of depth into the whole frame with just lighting up this one light. And yeah, I also had an update that I had to give it to you guys, so I'll keep it short. That is, I'm really excited to show you this because I have bought a new MOTO G60 phone and it is a real classic when it comes to photography. It has triple camera and it has 108 megapixel ultra cam. I usually go with the darker colors, but I thought of, having a change of mind. I thought of taking this one thing, and guys, I'm telling you, at this price, at this economical price, a phone like this with an efficiency of this kind, it is really an awesome deal for everyone out there. I clicked amazing pictures. Most of my stories that have been uploading like from 10 or 12 days all were from this phone, and boss, this is a classic beast. There were many situations, even in the low light situations, I felt that I did not need my camera at that point of time to click that picture. Well, the quality of the picture might be great, but the sensing and the focus was really awesome by Moto. And guys, Moto had done a really great job in doing this. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, the raw profile in this Moto G60 is exactly same like how we use the Canon cameras, because all my settings, like the picture profile and the raw settings, were all very similar with the Moto G60. I did not set anything. When I just changed the settings from JPEG to RAW, it automatically changed the whole settings. Everything was on flat profile. The clarity, the pictures were real awesome, and I'll be showing you all the pictures. But the phone actually deserves a B-roll of its own. So yeah, let's get that. Sorry, did I not tell you that using this light I would just be ending up the video with the B-roll? Dude, this is a very classic light when it comes to photos and videos, of course, because it's a video light. But yeah, SL60W Godox, you are always the best, and you know that. So yeah, I'll also be clicking pictures. So I guess I'll share you the BTS and also the pictures as well. Stay tuned.
Hi guys, it's probably 9:30 in the next day morning, and
I had to shoot back to back because I had to give away the Godox SL60W to my friend back because he needed it back, and so I had to shoot it. So it was like 11:30 or so to complete the shoot, and yeah, we did take a lot of pictures as I've showed you before. And yeah, if you have liked the video, do hit the like button, do subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, I'll be coming back with many videos soon, and yeah, I'll probably meet you next week. So until then, peace out.